to earn income, people begin to participate actively in the economy, poverty is reduced. At that level, then we are achieving what is called mass consumption level. That gives us a state of development. So Ghana Beyond Aid itself, in simple terms, is a state of development. So when we reach that state, then we can say we have achieved Ghana Beyond Development. So it fits in perfectly.
Right. Yeah. And you did some research with the companies. How many companies did you do the research on?
10.
10. Tell us some of the lapses you realized the companies had.
Yeah, we first of all did SWOT analysis to determine the strengths and weaknesses of these companies. And then just to highlight some of the few lapses we identified, we found out that these companies do not have adequate finance, and they also lack the publicity or the marketing drive. Now, how do we address the issue of finance? What it means is that at the end of the day, these companies should begin to look at floating their shares, sharing their glory with other people or with the general public in order to sustain their businesses. They should also look at merging. They should also embark on financial discipline in order to have enough to plow back into their businesses. And then how do we address the issue of low marketing drive? They should take advantage of platforms like TV Africa. They should take advantage of the social media. We have the Facebook, the internet availability to market their product, to make their product, visible to the public. However, when the public comes to the forum, more of the detail of the weaknesses we have found will be made bare to them too.
Right. Yeah. Upon your research, did you realize if Ghanaian businesses are strategic enough or not?
Okay, looking at for instance, the banking crisis, if they were strategic enough, and strategy is about sustainability and projecting into the future, looking at what happened, you would see that most of the companies were not strategic. Right. That is why it's caused this whole collapse of the entire industry, and only few banks survived, like Fidelity. So you see that such banks are employing the principles of strategic planning and strategic leadership.
Okay. Yeah, and to